From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov here with your Thursday morning forecast. Looking out outside of Beaver Stadium this morning, we do have those clouds beginning to move into the region, and that is because of a system that will bring some snow showers across the state later this afternoon and evening. Temperatures this morning setting at 14 degrees. However, with that wind out of the northwest at 6 miles per hour, we do have a feels like temperature of 5 out there this morning, so it's feeling quite cold out there. We can see that same story going across much of our local region with temperatures sitting in the low to upper teens, and the digit to the right is that feels like temperature. So many areas also seeing that feels like temperature in the single digits this morning. And same story can be applied for the rest of the state too. Temperatures is generally into the teens with feels like in the single digits this morning. Our radar and satellite is showing some snow showers and clouds beginning to infiltrate portions of western and central Pennsylvania this morning. And this is due to this upper level low that is spinning here across the Great Lakes region. Sometimes these upper level lows can bring precipitation. So that is what we will be seeing this afternoon and evening. Timing it out, snow showers beginning to move into western and central PA again by this morning, slowly moving eastward with time by 3 o'clock. Expect scattered snow showers. This won't be a steady snow you're used to seeing in snowstorms, but more breaks expected throughout the day. And this will continue into the evening hours before the system finally moves out, leaving us to just a northwesterly flow, which will keep temperatures on the colder side and also us stocked in clouds. With the snow expected today, the National Weather Service has issued winter weather alerts. So for the Laurel Highlands, there's a winter weather advisory that includes the Indiana, Westmoreland, and Fayette County ridges, as well as Somerset County, where they could see between 2 to 5 inches of snow, and up at Erie County as well. They could see up to 5 inches of snow in localized spots, which will lead to treacherous travel conditions throughout the afternoon and evening hours. Looking at the snowfall amounts across the state, generally just around an inch for most locations, not a big storm, but higher amounts expected for the Laurel Highlands and also for portions of the Northwest Plateau. If you're tired of this cold weather, we do have some changes coming on the way. The Climate Prediction Center is indicating above average temperatures for much of the western United States as we head into the 6 to 10 day time frame. Here in the Northeast, we'll see around average temperatures, possibly leaning toward above average. And then in terms of precipitation, the active pattern will continue with above average precipitation expected here in the Northeast, with much drier conditions expected for much of the west and southern U.S. So today we'll have a high temperature of 23 degrees with snow showers expected. Winds at the northwest at 8 to 12 miles per hour with gusts potentially up to 25 miles per hour. So it'll be breezy. Temperatures will feel like in the single digits throughout the day. Tonight, a low of 16 degrees with plentiful clouds. We'll also see those breezy winds continue with gusts potentially up to 20 throughout the night. And then tomorrow, also a high of 26 degrees with sun and clouds continuing. Also, those cold winds will also continue, so we'll have single-digit feels-like temperatures. So for the next 7 days, we do have a general warming trend. This weekend looks to be pretty around average, maybe leading a little bit below average. So if you're heading to Thon this weekend, walking to the Bryce Jordan Center, you won't be really having that much of a problem with just a mix of sun and clouds expected. By early next week, we'll have temperatures warm into the lower 40s with a few days of showers, especially on Tuesday and maybe on Wednesday we could get a sprinkle, but otherwise temperatures warming well above average by the middle of next week, signaling a brief end to this cold pattern, but we could see another cold blast as we head into later next week. Anyway, have a great rest of your week and weekend ahead.